Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. Today we are doing part 4 of 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Part 4 of the Worlds of Wonder Teddy Ruxpin repair. Daddy did some research and we found out that this motor is actually completely good.
Mm-hmm.
We got this, I don't know what on earth this is.
It's a variable DC power supply.
When did we get that?
I think the day after we did the last video.
Oh really?
Yeah, or a couple days after maybe.
You guys haven't seen the other
That's how I
videos.
tested that.
Before we took him apart, he did not work at all.
Mm.
The motor in the cassette tape compartment ran for a second, but then it would stop.
So here's how I tested the motor. Put it in there.
Sounds
just
like
open it.
air.
It's got a fan on it
How come?
to keep it cool because it's a power supply.
Oh, so it gets over.
Okay, so go over there and watch the motor.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
See it spinning?
I don't see it spinning, but I can hear it and feel it spinning.
Mm-hmm. So it works.
Uh-huh. That thing smells like smoke.
Yeah, it smells a little funny because it's brand new too. Okay, so he runs off of 6 volts.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of having to try to hold the batteries in there,
Mm-hmm. And we do have one of the cassette tapes too. We got Autumn Adventure. I
This is
tested it
6
in my
volts.
Mickey and the tape works. I think I played the Mickey more than I
Played Mickey's tape.
yeah. We gotta make sure we get the exact voltage on there. Because I've seen these things on YouTube where
There.
people use them to, like,
To power stuff.
yeah, to like put way too much power into toys and
Oh,
just
yeah.
completely ruin them.
Mm-hmm. But what I'll do instead of having to put the batteries in it is I can just clip one there and clip one there.
I'm not very comfortable about that.
Mhm.
I'm not
Well,
very,
then we don't have to try and hold the batteries in. They got these little clips.
But I've seen those things. Those are very dangerous.
Well, if you don't use them right. So I can put one clip like that.
Yeah, so please use it right.
I will. I can put one clip like that. On that one. There, and then we don't have to worry about, then all I gotta do is turn it on and it has the power it needs. As long as you got the red on the positive end and the black on the negative end. Because DC has to go the proper way. But before we can get anywhere close to that, we gotta get this out. Because I read online that something that'll make the motor stop, like what's happening with this one, is there's contacts in here
Oh yeah.
that can be messed up. I read on like a little repair site. So we have to try and get the. Is that too big or? Try this one maybe.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. I got something to show you guys.
Yeah. Oh, where'd that fall into? There it is. This one's got a little tiny nut on the other side. And we'll put it together so I don't lose it. And with our screw up there. these screws are in rough shape. I think somebody took this one apart before.
Got something special to show you guys, which you guys might have seen if you guys watch my YouTube shorts. But this is a pretty rare dandy item, and it actually works. This dandy rocking runs Humpty Dumpty. I got this on eBay for around
Oh, that's all sorts of stripped
it was $29.99 free shipping, but with tax it was around $32.69. His cheeks slide up, he plays Humpty Dumpty, and he rocks forward and back. And he actually does that. He actually rocks forward and back. I've never seen any of these on YouTube rock back and forth, except for one. And it was
All
in
these screws are stripped out.
like a really old video. But yeah, it came with something else too.
You did?
It also came with this little note with it.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for your purchase of the plush. Enjoy. This little note. So if the seller of this Humpty Dumpty is watching this, thank you.
That one will get out. These screws are all stripped.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I got one of them out. Well, actually two of them. That one is not turning at all. I think somebody else tried to take this apart at one point, but
Oh yeah, definitely. Because then how would those screws be stripped?
you know,
It's not like the company just screwed those screws and tear in
this will
there
fit
and
down
like,
in there.
let's strip these screws so that way if anybody takes it apart to repair it, this will not come open.
I would hope they didn't do that. Well, I'm gonna get that one out. You want to give me that, the big Phillips screwdriver? The red and black handled one? It might fit in there now that it's stripped out. That screw's actually missing. Where you going?
I want to take the long way back.
Yeah. That won't fit down in there.
The long way back.
I think that tip would work. Screwdriver won't fit in there, I think. It's too big.
My nose is running.
I don't see it running. Looks like it's just sitting there on your face.
I said it's running.
Yeah.
Like boogers are like dripping out of it. Or they're trying to, I'm keeping them in though.
I'm keeping them in there.
Hey Daddy,
Oh, this is gonna be a problem if I can't get this screw out. Okay, what?
what are these little holes at the bottom of the tape for?
I don't know what those ones are for, but these ones used to be when you got a tape, this part was covered on a blank tape so you could record. So you could record stuff on it. And then once you didn't want anyone to record on it anymore, you popped out that little hole. And now that the hole's popped out, even if you put it in a tape player that can record, you won't be able to record it.
Huh.
So that's a way to make it to where you can't record on it anymore. So you don't have to worry about it getting erased. But then if you did have one that you decided, okay, I want to record on it, we just put a piece of tape over that. And then we can record it.
Well, we ain't gonna record over one of the One Wonder tapes.
Oh no. Not while you're watching.
Huh?
No?
Excuse me?
Joking.
Don't joke around with me like that.
Let me go get a different screwdriver, see.
You better be joking.
I'm joking.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Okay, Ruxpin.
Hurts my arms.
Hurts your arms.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There aren't very many animals here. There ain't very many animals in this house.
We don't have any animals in here.
Animal house.
Yeah, catch on to it. Maybe this one.
You do know I brought you the red and black kangaroo footage.
Yeah, it's too big.
Too big. Oh. We're getting a swimming pool soon.
We already have a swimming pool.
Well, we're getting it installed
Oh.
on Monday. You already knew that. I was telling the viewers.
Mm. It's just getting worse now. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out of there, bud.
Just don't get it.
Well, how am I gonna get this out? I need to get this piece out so I can get in there to where those contacts are.
Well, then you'll have to get the screws out.
I just said I don't know how I'm gonna get it out.
By using a screwdriver.
The screwdriver just spinning.
Yeah, it's supposed to spin.
Yeah, but it's supposed to turn the screw as it spins, and it's not doing that. Because the screw is stripped.
Well, unstrip it. Put the strips that are stripped off back on there.
Well, I don't have them.
Yeah, you do. Bah, bah. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. No, I didn't. I stood on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Oh, my nose is itchy.
Dumpty sat on a wall.
All right.
Humpty
I can't get
Dumpty
that
had
out.
a great fall. Then he flew up and up and up. So the king's horses and king's men didn't have to put him back together again. Humpty Dumpty is out. Come dream with me tonight. Let's have an autumn adventure.
Contacts, if I can't see in there to see where they might be.
Come
Oh, that's probably them way up there. Looks like they're corroded.
Corroded.
Yeah.
Oh, that probably
There's a
means
pair
something.
here and a pair there. I can't get to them though, because this screw won't come out.
What are they gonna do? They gotta get it out.
Mhm.
Maybe if we strip the screw, it'll come
It
out.
is stripped.
Well, unstrip it.
Eli. Yeah, I think you do is drill it out. And then try to find another one that would fit.
Eli's out. Peace.
So I think, bud, so you're gonna have to try to drill the head of that screw off.
I guess Eli left. I guess I'm out.
Okay, why don't you go pause your video?
Okay.
So you have to go out and get my drill bits.
Okay. Froggy pause video.
Don't unpause.
Okay, guys, we're back. And I got Grubby.
Have they seen Grubby before?
Yeah, I showed them in the first one. He was probably in the second one, too.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think he's in the third one. Grubby was my first Worlds of Wonder item.
Mm-hmm. Trying to drill the top of the
My
head of that
first
screw
real
off.
Worlds of Wonder item. Before Grubby, I got a Worlds of Wonder based item. I got the 2017 Teddy Ruxpin with the light up eyes. That one's eyes are cool.
Yeah.
Grubby, what's got in that mouth of yours? Is it working?
It's getting there. I'm trying to go slow, so I don't want to ruin everything.
Oh! That was way too fast.
Mm.
Yes. That's not.
See all that? That's from the head of that screw.
Oh my god, we sanded the screw away. We deleted the screw.
That's basically what I'm trying to do. Get rid of the head of that
Trying to
screw.
delete the screw. Nothing like having glue rubber by your side.
Yeah, that's
She's
good.
probably traumatized right now for pretty much been made apart right now. Once we get the cord, if you don't want it to happen to you too. Oh god. Kirby passed out.
Mm.
He fainted.
You fainted?
He is shocked of what is happening. Remember how big I thought Grubby was when I first opened him up out of the box?
He is big.
Uh-huh. But now seeing him next to the Mickey,
Yeah, he's small compared to Mickey.
yeah. Like, I'm just trying to think. Like, if I got the Mickey before I got Teddy Ruxpin, I would have thought that Teddy was going to be that size too. Grubby still got some corrosion in him. Looks like somebody got him at a garage sale for $5.
Did they?
Yeah, there's a 5 written in permanent markers, so it's not going to come off there, unfortunately. Sad about that.
You never won? Even if it was a sticker, you wouldn't take it off anyway. getting loose.
Oh yeah, by the way, that's not gonna come out.
Huh?
I don't think that's gonna come
Yeah,
out.
it is. I watched someone do it on the internet.
Not everything you see on the internet.
I
You tell me that all the time.
Yeah.
Now you expect me to believe something else on me?
I said don't believe everything on the internet. Some things are true. There we go. Okay, so I got that to come out. Now I just
That part I know is not gonna come out.
the tape deck.
No, the tape player lid. The thing that
Oh no,
closes it.
that's definitely not going to come out.
Yeah, that's not coming out.
There. Okay, so I got that to come
Uh-oh.
out. Now I gotta figure out how did they take it out that way or this way.
Most people, a lot of people are probably really confused on why Teddy Ruxpin, why Grubby is so big compared to Teddy Ruxpin, because you may think Grubby's a caterpillar and Teddy Ruxpin is a bear. False. Teddy Ruxpin is an iliop and Grubby
So how
is
did
an
they get
octopus.
that out of there?
Yeah. You're welcome for correcting me.
You gotta explain to them what those mean though.
Well, I don't really know what they are.
What's an octopede?
An octopede is an 8-legged centipede,
Yep. There you go.
and that's what Grubby is. They don't actually exist. They're in the Teddy Ruxpin world, and iliops are basically just a creature that looks like a bear in
Yeah.
the Teddy Ruxpin world.
Yeah, Teddy Ruxpin is
An
he's
iliop.
just him, yeah.
There's other iliops too.
But what you call it?
What?
Grubby, or I always want to call him Wormy, but Grubby. He makes sense at least. He's a centipede, but he only has 8 legs. So
So he's an octopede.
he's an octopede.
He's an octopus centipede. An octopede. Is that gonna come out?
It's supposed to.
Well, technically it's not supposed to. They weren't, these things weren't intended to be taken apart.
Yeah.
Weren't made to be taken apart.
I saw a guy take one apart online.
Online.
Yeah. Just don't know exactly how he got it to slide out. But
What are you trying to slide out?
this white part, that's where the contacts are. That
Oh, for the
Have to be
white part, you're
clamped.
probably gonna have to take this plate off.
this is all one piece.
Oh,
See?
well, then that's probably not gonna come out.
He kind of
But I've seen a video on this before. It's because this thing blocks it from coming out.
no. This is out of the way. See, it
No?
has to come out like this. At least on the video that I watched, he was able to do it.
Maybe he had a different version of Teddy.
No, it was this one.
3rd gen?
Yes, it was after I looked this up. And that night we were looking that up. After you went to bed, I kept looking and I found the guy that found it. It showed me how to test the motor. You don't always have to doubt everything I do, but
Didn't say I was doubting it. unfortunately didn't know that these guys were octopede and
Okay, so
Goliath at first
that
either.
piece is down
I
now.
just thought that they were bear and caterpillar.
Okay, so that's on that.
I originally found these guys on Woodwood Woodhopper.
Mm-hmm.
First found them.
That's what first time you saw him.
Uh-huh. It's on her channel. Grubby is eating my cheek. And then he's gonna move on to my face.
Easy.
Yep. He is going to nom 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 nom. Yep.
So that side's out.
You can barely even tell. You can barely even tell when it's a Teddy Ruxpin anymore.
Well, that part. This is just a tape player.
Yeah.
Just getting hung up on that one little piece.
And if you guys are wondering, no, I have absolutely no idea if this Grubby works or not. Because, well, first, my Teddy Ruxpin doesn't work. And
Yeah.
second, even if he did work, I don't have the cord for Grubby. And Grubby can only work if,
If we have the cord for him.
yeah.
Oh, you got that piece there too. Oh! Now I remember.
Oh yeah, that little piece in the middle.
This has to pop out.
Yeah.
I forgot a step. And this part is glued in, so it's very hard to get out.
Oh no, that's not good.
You said you have to pry on it. Can't believe I forgot that step. You can tell it's glued, huh? Eli. You do not make it easy to focus.
I'm just singing Christmas music.
I know. Oh, that was Christmas music? I had no idea what it was.
Yeah. I was singing Deck the Halls.
Okay.
Not done.
Go get that little razor blade. Hmm?
Nothing. Box container.
Box cutter.
Box
Not
container. This thing is a box container.
Oh, is it?
Now it's a drill tip. That looks funny. What happens if
Don't mess with stuff, please.
I'm kind of scared to watch this. Oh. No, I can't do that. Got the cover on it. I can't
Oh yeah, don't spin it. While it's good.
Yeah, that's probably not a good idea.
Nope.
Autumn adventure day is the autumn adventure. When the pumpkins have their autumn parade.
This might take a while. I don't know if you want to pause it or not.
I don't know. Do you want me to pause it or not?
Well, I'm going to be doing a scraping on this for a while. So I can get the glue out.
you never know.
How much time you got on the tape? Or
On the tape?
on your phone?
I don't know, but the soldering iron is still on.
Yeah? Oh yeah, turn that off for now.
30.5 minutes.
Right, yeah, go ahead and pause it. I'll keep
Okay.
scraping on this, and then once it gets close, we'll turn it back on.
Okay. Okay, guys. We've been trying to get it off for probably like 20 to 30 minutes now, and we have not been able to get it off.
Yep, there's glue in here.
And that
So we have-
one piece.
We have
Daddy's worst enemy.
super glue in this piece.
Well,
I'm trying to dissolve the glue. I put nail polish remover
Daddy's
down here.
worst enemy. Brown plastic rectangle.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
So we'll soak it in this and hopefully it'll pop loose. Next time we'll take that out and see if we can work on it some more.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.